This explains how a singer can shatter a glass by hitting a certain note, which does not happen because the singer's voice has reached a particularly high pitch. Rather, it is a matter of attaining the natural frequency of the glass. As a result, all the energy in the sound of the singer's voice is transferred to the glass, and it shatters. The professional boxer, activist, and philanthropist nicknamed The Greatest, widely regarded as one of the most significant and celebrated sports figures of the 20th century, and as one of the greatest boxers of all time, used to not only match the frequencies of his opponent's training schedules, he used to do more frequently, so that when he stepped into the ring, he knew that they could never match his power, because his frequency was stronger. Everywhere in daily life, there are frequencies of sound and electromagnetic waves constantly changing and creating the features of the visible and audible world familiar to everyone. Some aspects of frequency can only be perceived indirectly, yet people are conscious of them without even thinking about it. A favorite radio station, for instance, may have a frequency of 99.7 megahertz. And fans of that station know that every time they turn the FM dial to that position, the station's signal will be there. Of course, people cannot hear radio and television frequencies, part of the electromagnetic spectrum, but the evidence for them is everywhere. Similarly, people are not conscious in any direct sense of frequencies in sound and light.
Welcome everyone to this beautiful session on how to biohack and optimize your physical and emotional well-being. So I am logging in from Bangalore and my name is Leena Joy. I'm basically a certified life coach and a problem-solving technique Ho'oponopono expert. Now, something which transformed my life 3 years back, it exactly came in 3 years back to me, and I was one of the audience like you have been invited today. I was invited to look into this session and look into this technology. And trust me, initially, just as you are sitting today, I was also very skeptical what exactly it's all about. I was very curious. And with all those emotions, I stepped into understanding it. And I can vouch for it that thank God I had the courage and the guts to take my decision to understand it and get into it. Today, the life has completely shifted into a 360-degree paradigm shift. Now, what changed? What exactly we are talking about? We are talking about a technology which is from Germany, patented, gone across to 57 countries, and something which identifies biohacks, your mental disorder, your physical pain, your spiritual disconnects, each and every area of your life, your emotional pain, and where exactly is the gap? Something from childhood, you have been suppressing it, or because of the society pressure, your upbringing, there is some weaknesses of yours which has been buried inside your dreams, your desires, and which has converted into a chronic pain today, your health challenges today. We are going to discuss about a technology which will help you to transforms life. I have seen from last 3 years why I am so confident about it, because I've seen people coming out of wheelchair. I have seen doctors coming out of wheelchair. I've seen people coming out of coma. I have seen fertility issues, parents being conceived. I have seen transformation in the chronic illnesses, people getting into the money which was lost or somebody borrowed and they were not getting it back. The frequencies help them to align it. Every area of your life, whether it is a relationship, whether you're looking out for that job, for that wealth, abundance, everything. we have a frequency to tune into. So it will take a 1 hour session, and I promise you, every time I feel like to finish it off in 30 to 40 minutes, but I'm so much a overgiver. This time I'm going to close it in 40 minutes. Let me try, because I want to give a demo. I want to show you how practically also this technology works. If time permits, I'm going to do that. In this 1 hour session, you will have a lot of questions, and quantum science is not very easy to understand. I would request you that please keep your video on. Now, all of you here who are switched on their video, let me see who all have switched on. Oh, Pooja with a smiling face. Murgesh, thank you so much. Rahamutha, what is it? Sorry, I'm not able to pronounce your name. Krish, Gaurav, fantastic. So many people around. Rupa, Satish. Thank you, guys. I love you guys. You know what? We are talking about energy. We are Snehal, Usha. Awesome. You made it up. Okay. So we are talking about a space of energy, frequency, and vibration. And when we see each other, the energy changes. And I mean, there would be a different frequency how you are going to listen to this. Instagram, chats, everything closed. Next 1 hour, promise me that you are mine. No disturbances, no distractions. And I'm going to promise you that I'm going to give you my best. And this day would be a paradigm shift into your life. Just surrender and trust for next 1 hour. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Let's get started. We are talking about a technology, any product, any service which is out in the world. It could be a profound product or service when it's solving a problem in the society. What is it that we are solving with this technology, which I'm going to talk about? If you see around, whether it is your house, whether it is your neighbor's house, or any relative's house, one of this problem is existing. It's not my report, but as per the WHO report, there are more than 1.5 billion people suffering with chronic pain. More than 1 billion people are suffering from mental disorder. If you see family relationship problems, injury, exhaustion, insomnia, sleep issue after 35 to 40 years, there half of the population is not able to have a REM sleep. You understand REM? Rapid eye movement sleep. They are not able to get into a sound sleep. Loss of direction, unworthiness, financial stress, job loss. You go to any expert, whether it is allopathy, whether it is homeopathy, whether it is any alternative therapist. Every expert, every doctor can call it out that all these issues, the root cause is basically stress. The root cause is basically your thought level, your emotions. Your emotions. What is emotion? Emotion has the power to create illness or wellness. Emotion, energy in motion, and anything which is in motion is vibration. And what is vibration? A cluster of frequency. There is a Louis Hay, if you have read the book, Heal Your Body, Heal Your Life. If you have not read it, please book it today. Order it today. A must read book. Heal Your Body, Heal Your Life. Louis Hay beautifully explains that how a disharmony in your emotional body has the power to create a physical illness in your body. Now, what is it that we are talking about? Are we talking about the technology which we are talking will help and to come out of this? You got it right. Now, how does it helps to got it? Hundreds of years back, Nikola Tesla, he called it out that if you want to know the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. What exactly Nikola Tesla was trying to tell us? He was trying to tell us right now, you are not happy with your bank balance. Right now, you're not happy with the love, the harmony in the relationship. You are not happy with the illness in your body, that diabetes, that sugar, that cholesterol, that cancer. It could be anything. You are not happy with it. What is it that we have to do? Is it something like we have to cut off from the life? No, we have to just alter the energy. We have to just change the frequency. We have to just raise our vibration. And if we can do that, we will be able to come out of it. How? I mean, there was more to it. The grandfather of quantum science, Albert Einstein, he called it out. Everything in life is vibration. And what does he meant by that? Right now, if I tell you that you think of a person, presence of that person, it literally drains you and you don't feel good, or you might, there was a phase in your life you might have felt insulted or embarrassed, and that person made you feel that. Just think of that person. What will happen now? Your shoulders will shrink, your energies will go down, your frequency goes down, and that's where the vibration goes down. Imagine for a second that your phone, okay, I picked up my phone and I'm dialing my mom. uh, I'm dialing a number. What does that mean? I'm dialing a frequency. I'm tuning into the frequency to connect to my mom. I very well know that my mom will pick it up. Now, can I, if I need to dial to my mom, do I need to create an Airtel broadband? Do I need to create a Vodafone broadband? No. Does it already exist? It does. But can I see it? No. In the same manner, what exactly do we want in our life? The bliss, the love, the good health, the harmony in relationship, the abundance, the peace. What exactly we are looking out? The wealth, the money creation, everything is available in the universe. It's out there in abundance. Can I see it? No. But can I tune into it? I can. And that's what we are going to learn today, that how we can tune into something which is already available and we are struggling to get it. We are struggling with that pain in our life. And it's just that if we can tune into that, we can help people to come out of that pain, come out of the struggle, shuttling between home and hospital. Not required. Your body is the best doctor. Now, how does that happen? Let's understand it with a small video, how energy, frequency, and vibration has the power to create over human health. Let's watch this video and we'll talk more on it.
One of the greatest inventors of all time, Nikola Tesla, the genius who lit the world, once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Say you are listening to the radio in your car and do not like the music that you are hearing. What do? You change the frequency. What many people fail to realize is that we can take charge of our frequencies in the exact same way. We tend to reduce our body's anatomy down to a simplified version that consists of only flesh and blood. But everything on this planet, animals, plants, and water, are made of atoms, which produce, emit, and receive energy, which operates at a specific frequency. Everything. All our tissues, cells, organs, emotions, and thought patterns have their own unique electromagnetic fields, as do allergens, viruses, or bacteria. All things have a frequency, including you, the human body. It has been shown that a normal person has a frequency of 62 to 72 megahertz. When the body drops below this frequency, we begin to get into illness and disease states. For example, if our frequency drops to 58 megahertz, then we are likely to get a cold or flu. If our frequency drops to 42 megahertz, we become susceptible to cancer within the body. The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death.
Absolutely. The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death. What this video was trying to tell us. The ideal frequency of a ideal human being, a healthy human being, is between 62 to 72 hertz. Now, when it drops, when is it that it drops? It drops when we have an emotion of fear and insecurity. Will the money in my bank account will suffice for this month end? Will, if I drink this tea and coffee, my sugar will shoot up, my BP will shoot up. Any kind of fear and insecurity, will my needs would be fulfilled in terms of the love and the pleasure which I'm looking forward. If there is any lack in our life, that's where the immunity goes down. And when the immunity goes down, you are more prone to fever, cough, and that's where the frequency shifts to 58. When is it that it drops to 42? Any kind of prolonged suppressed emotions, something which you are not able to speak out, you're suppressing yourself, the unexpressed thoughts. And if it can be prolonged and it is there in the body piling up, one day it will break out. And that's where cancer, anxiety, depression creeps up. And that's where your frequency goes into 42. Now, is it something that we can come out of it? uh, I mean, trust me, for me it's like Lena is the most positive person, but there are days where I don't feel like talking to anyone. Life takes over how much ever positive you are. There are days where I feel so down. But how is it that some technology or something which can help me to align to the frequency of the reality what I desire, in spite of that low challenging times when I'm going through? Imagine you're listening to a radio station and you're not liking the song, what is going on? What is it that you will do? I asked this question to one of the in one of my presentation, and somebody told me, I'll switch off the switch off the radio, Lena. No, if I am not happy with my life, if I am not happy with my partner, if I am not happy with my bank balance, if I am not happy with my health condition, I'm not going to suicide. What is it that I'm going to do? I'm going to change. I'm going to tune into a different channel. As I tune into a radio station to a different channel to the song which I love to hear, in the same manner, in life, there is a way how you can tune into something which you desire. Now, did anybody did it? Or we are just talking in the air? If you go to Google and type Dr. Rife in 1934, he invented a Rife machine, which was basically the concept was that through frequencies, the people can transform any kind of chronic illness. They will be able to come out of it. What he did to prove that his machine works, he was a medical doctor in US, and he appointed 16 cancer patients, and to his surprise, all 16 cancer patients was transformed. They were able to cure themselves from cancer. He should be have been given a Nobel Prize. But what happened in 1934? US government called it out that other than allopathy, no other alternative therapy would be encouraged. If somebody is performing it, they would be behind bars. And but today we are not in 1934. Scientists out in the world, it created a spark in them when Dr. Rife could came up with this experiment. Now so many people out in the world today have written books on it, that how energy, frequency and vibration has the power to create a good health for human. How the body electric, frequency specific microcurrent in pain management, electric body, electric health, the resonance effect. I have met the author of resonance effect, and above all, the person who invented the Janam Data, the technology which we are talking about, the founder and the inventor is one on the left top corner, the second path, Marcus Mike. Now, he is the person whom we are going to talk about and the technology which he invented for us. Very fascinating story. At the age of 16 years, he basically from Germany, and he was studying quantum science. At the age of 16, he was very much interested, learning as a seeker into quantum science. And in the universities of Germany, though while he was studying, he had a lot of questions which were unanswered. And I have heard like people who have questions on quantum science, they turn up coming to India. Marcus did the same. He came to India. He was in Himalayas. He was in Mayapur University, Rishikesh, and he spent more than 10 years, 12 years in India. And eventually he turned up as a brahmachari. Now, with his knowledge on quantum science, and also he was teaching astrology in the Mayapur University in Calcutta. Today his daughter is studying in India, because I met him very recently and he told me that he's coming to India right now. He's in India in Mayapur University in Calcutta, and where his daughter will be studying the same course what he did. Imagine what a powerful country we are from. Now, Marcus learned everything from here, and he had a mission to serve this world with the technology so that people can come out of the pain and the struggle what they are going through. With this mission in his heart, he went back to Germany, shared his idea with his ex-student, Christian Harper. Now, Marcus has already written more than 25 books on quantum science. He is also a founder of the Research Consciousness Center in Rishikesh, and today he wants to make his technology accessible to the world. He took help of Christian Harper. He is a billionaire. He is running a vegan chain restaurant across Europe. And I was fortunate enough that last month I was in one of his restaurants in Vienna, in Tian. And oh my God, such delicious food. You would have never tasted. All the Michelin star restaurants in Vienna actually belongs to Christian Harper. If you get a chance to go and try there, I was the chosen one and it was delicious. Now, Christian Harper and Marcus came together, and they came. Christian was so much thrilled listening to the idea of Marcus that as soon as he got to know about this quantum science technology, he invested, rather donated 100 million euros. And with this donation, he became the co founder of the company. Both of them opened the company in Berlin, the development center in Kazen Castle. I was there last month. Beautiful place. And Berlin City, the headquarters, we have a main office today. Let me tell you, the technology what they invented has gone across to 57 countries from last 20 years, and it's already a unicorn. It's touching more than 1 billion euros. So it's just rocking. It's a Royal Royce in frequency therapy industry. Now, what is it, the technology what they came in 2006 they invented a technology which is known as time waver. If you see, there are two white color box which is kept on the table, and a doctor who is sitting opposite to the laptop is basically he is checking the frequency of this patient who is on the bean bag. The patient is holding two copper electrode, and the wires are connected to the time waver. The name itself calls it out, that something which taps beyond time. Now, Marcus Mike, while he was studying his quantum science, he was also mentored by Burkhard Heim. If you go to Google and type Burkhard Heim, he was a field theory scientist. If you are an electronic student, there is a subject called field theory while you study engineering. Burkhard Heim was also instrumental in giving equations of gravity, which is in coherence with the theory of relativity. Burkhard Heim, before he left the world, he wanted to give this wisdom of tapping into up to the eighth dimension of a human being. Marcus was the chosen one. Now, Marcus, with his knowledge on the quantum science and the knowledge was Burkhard Heim gave him, came up with the technology of time waver, which be, taps into beyond time. In quantum science, there are eight dimensions of human being. Now, beyond time is something where your information field exists. The information about your soul, the information about your past, the information about what is the sole purpose of this janam. Now, imagine a technology tapping into that dimension. Now, Healy, when this girl who was lying on a bean bag, she is holding that copper electrode. What is happening with the time waver? It's analyzing and telling us that which cells in our body is vibrating in a low energy. Not just that, it also talks about where is the imbalances which has been created at a mental, emotional, spiritual, also the karmic levels. If any ancestors were not liberated, is there anything which she carries in her DNA? Any mental blocks, any pain, any deep insults, any deep embarrassments which is stuck in the body, everything comes in the report. And what is a doctor doing? Doctor, based on this report, is giving the frequency, and with this frequency the person is able to transform. Just imagine, from 2006 to 2019, this went into 57 countries. More than 7 crore people got healed. More than 9 million frequencies are saved in the data secured server in Germany. Now, this machine, Time Waver, costed around 50 lakhs to 1 crore. Today in India, there are more than 13 clinics only operated by doctors and hospitals where we have installed this. And whatever doctors are working on it and the people who are getting cured, we are saving. All the data is getting stored in the secured server. Now, though it was like a Royal Royce in the frequency therapy, and it was booming out in the industry from last 20 years, Marcus was not very happy. Every session of Time Waver, today if you go to an hospital for a Time Waver therapy, it costs around 15,000 to 20,000. In spite of this high price, there is a waiting period of 3 to 6 months. Marcus was not very happy. You know why? The results were coming very good. He should be proud of his invention. But being a monk, his intention was to come out of a technology which will serve the world. Every family, every person could utilize it. But he realized that his technology was only used by the rich class. Only rich class was able to afford it. And you need to be a doctor to use it. I mean, even if me and you have 1 crore in our account, we can't buy it. You need to have a doctor's degree to buy it. Now, what did Marcus do? Marcus wanted this technology to go into every family. And for that, he got inspired by Steve Jobs. You remember Harvard Mark I, the first computer which came in bigger than the size of the house? Today, we hold computers. Steve Jobs changed the paradigm shift. We hold computers in our hand. Our mobile is the biggest computer. Marcus did the same. He converted that big Time Waver machine into that small size, which is known as Healy. Healy. It is there on my body right now. And I can tell you, it is an angel, it is a guide, it is a partner, it is an intuitive partner of yours. What did Marcus did? Marcus worked with software engineers, quantum scientists, and remember I told you 7 crore people got healed, more than 9 million was getting stored. Marcus very intelligent. He worked with artificial intelligence. He developed artificial intelligence computer algorithms and tuned into, with the support of the IoT via cloud, it connected to the server in Germany, and through the apps in a mobile, it connected via Bluetooth to Healy. So this was just a tip of the iceberg. The real rock star was the Time Waver. So we started relying on the doctor's brain, and that's why we call it as the brainchild of the doctor. A doctor in your pocket. We imagine what doctors have worked from 2006 to 2019, and all those frequency are now in your pocket. And that's what Marcus did. And today, with his invention, with the support of artificial intelligence, every family, every person would be able to raise the vibration and energy. How does it work? What exactly is Healy? Let's watch a small video and I will get back and we'll talk more in detail.
Healy is new, Healy is different, and Healy is extremely versatile. This little game changer is the first smartphone-controlled wearable that provides easy support in all important areas of your life with the use of frequencies. Healy analyzes the frequencies you need right now. Then the smart wearable applies subtle currents and individualized frequencies to your body via its electrodes. It strengthens your balance and harmonizes imbalances. Fitness, holistic health, and inner and outer beauty. Healy, over 120 programs to provide energetical support for you, for your body, and for your cells. Every single cell in our body is a small power plant that constantly produces energy. One thing is particularly important for this. the natural cell membrane voltage. And this is where the Healy comes in. With Nuno Nina's Gold Cycle programs that focus on rebalancing your cells, Healy also has suitable programs for many other applications on board. Programs supporting relaxation if you have a headache or back pain, but also for learning, concentration, or exams. Healy even offers support for mental balance, sleep, and stress. The Healy Beauty programs are supposed to support your inner and outer beauty energetically. In sports, the Healy is meant to promote performance, muscles, and regeneration. At home or on the go, in your leisure time or at work. In our opinion, health begins with good balance in all areas of life. This is what Healy stands for: state-of-the-art wearable technology, made in Germany to the highest standards. Based on use by 2,000 practitioners worldwide, who have seen as many as 500,000 patients. Healy, for me, and for you, and for everyone.
Absolutely. Healy is for everyone. Let me tell you, I mean, right now while I'm talking to you, yes, just day before yesterday, I got a scratch on my cheeks from with my cat. So I am an animal lover. I have 3 cats at home, and it was a very bad scratch on my cheeks. While I'm talking to you, while I'm presenting this, right now, I'm also running a program of the scar treatment. So there is a skin harmony program which is going on. So I am doing my work and Healy is doing its work. It's so intuitive that today morning when I analyzed my body, it Healy told me that you need a skin harmony program. And then I realized, oh my God, I had a scratch on my face and how beautifully Healy knew it. I can't tell you, there are times when in there are thoughts, okay, I might have thought about it and I have never revealed it to my husband or to my daughter or to my parents, but it will come out in the report. A report will completely show that, Lena, you are thinking about it, be careful, it's not good and it will not help you to raise your vibration. Now imagine such a intuitive guide working with you. Like we say, universe has your back. I always say Healy has your back. Since I'm a manifestation coach, I always take things that life is happening for you, not against you. And you know what? Now, what does Healy do? So we have different accessories. Healy takes care of your emotional body. Healy takes care of your physical body and your spiritual body too. Now imagine this is like a strap. The girl who is, you can see on the screen, she is wearing a strap for the physical body. You can wear a strap like this, or you can wear a watch. I am wearing a watch for my physical body cleansing. For your emotional body, you don't need anything. It is a distant healing which takes care. So right now, when I'm talking to you, I'm also doing a distant healing. I'm also doing a physical healing. But the same healing, you don't need 2 healings. The one healing, you can take care of your emotional healing and also your physical healing. Not just that, one healing can be used for all your family members. One healing, I use it for my cats, for my husband, for my daughter, for my mates, for everyone around, even to my mom who's sitting in Kerala. I give them frequency. Even a remote healing works. How to do that? Connect with the person who has invited you and they will be able to tell you. If time permits, I'll show you. Now there are different accessories. For a physical body, you have to use this bracelet and the wire which gets connected to the bracelet. Okay, so there are wires like this which you have to use and it will come with your Healy. It will be a 1-hour program. You have to drink enough water, 500 to 700 ml of water. The only thing which you have to take care is that your body is well hydrated. Now there are different accessories. You can see the ear accessories. Any like pain from your neck to your forehead, migraine, tooth pain, ear harmony, ear pain, spondylitis, any pain on this area, you can use the earplug. There is something known as the adhesive electrode. The adhesive is a sticking pad. Okay, so if you have pain in your knee, on your back, on anywhere there is a pain, you can see my hand, so I'm showing my hand. So you can just stick where exactly the pain is and connect the wires which we first plug into the bracelet. Now you can plug into this adhesive electrode and use for the pain programs. Now, just imagine how beautiful life can be. It's as if like we have a technology has captured the frequency of a Dolo tablet without the side effect. Even a Dolo tablet has a side effect. Now, imagine a technology which is coming in your life that is beautiful, taking care of you, that you don't have to worry about any pain in the body or any lack in the body. Now, where this technology has come from. Is it someone who was getting bored in Mandya or somebody in China has developed this? No. If you remember, this is basically in collaboration with all the doctors and practitioners who have worked in Time Waver, the mother device of Healy. And that's why we have got a science-based stamp on that it has been created in collaboration with the doctors. What more? The quality and performance, I mean, can literally coming in from Germany. Can you vouch for it? If there is any kind of discrepancy, the highest level of standards which is maintained, which is made in Germany. Now we have got more than 8 patents. You remember I told you artificial intelligence via IoT over the cloud. It connects with the 9 million frequency in the secured server in Germany. The entire process is patented. Not just that, we have also got so many certificates. The CE0482 certificate, which is from Germany, the most difficult certificate to get it. It goes through multiple safety hazardous trial, placebo effect. It took more than 6 years for the company to get a CE0482. If you go to Google and check the certification of CE0482, you will come to know what level of precision it carries. Now, what is the science behind Healy? The upper layer of the body is made up of is muscles, right? Now if you go one level down, what is it made of? Tissues and organs. What is that made of? Cells. There are more than 70 trillion cells in a body. Imagine we are going to the doctor and telling him, check my 70 trillion cells. Even a doctor does a full-time job of taking care of one patient in one day, then also he will not be able to check the 70 trillion cells. What are we expecting the doctors to check? Now imagine molecules, atoms, subatomic particles. Now they are the people who helped us understand that how beautifully, if we can get into the energy, frequency, and vibration, what is it that made of? The information field. The information field is where the information of your soul rise. Now, where is Healy works? Healy works at this part, the information field. It taps into your information field. It corrects your energy. It corrects your vibration. It corrects your frequency. What happens in turn? In turn, it starts changing your subatomic atoms, molecules, cells, and your body becomes the doctor and the food becomes the medicine. Even if you are taking, I have seen people taking Healy in 1 week. No lifestyle changes, just Healy. I actually tell people that do your blood test, do your RBC count, do your WBC count, do your hemoglobin count before using Healy. After 14 days, do that blood test again. You will be surprised and shocked the way it will move into the positive side. What changed? Nothing changed. The same sambar rice has become the medicine for you. You know why? Because now Healy has started flushing out the toxins from your cell. Healy will start regenerating the cell. Healy will give nutrition to your cell, and your cell has the ability to fight back the free radicals or the bacteria and the impurities in the body. God has made us so powerful that the only thing which you have to take care is make your cell powerful. And once your cells are powerful, the body becomes the doctor, and the same dal chawal becomes the medicine. Now, what exactly is how exactly Healy works? If you know, every human being has a unique fingerprint. Likewise, every human being has a unique prana, the most vital source of energy flowing in a body. It's also known as the chi energy. When we are alive, the prana is alive. When we are dead, the prana goes off, right? So you know that when the prana goes, we are gone. Now, what does Healy do? At the back of Healy, we have a quantum sensor. Now, if I'm holding in my hand, it is sensing my mind, it is sensing my organs, it is sensing my karmic connection. Now, it has the ability, the quantum sensor has an ability to capture the prana of a human being. Now, And once you capture the prana of a human being, you can read the mind, body, and soul. Now, where exactly the problem arises? Whenever there is a disruption in the flow of the prana energy, it causes the challenges of at your mental level, emotional level, spiritual level. There are so many scientific journals which has been written, and there are research papers on it, which actually identified that what causes the disruption in the prana flow. What is the significance of prana? The significance of prana is getting your mind, body, and soul aligned. That means what you are talking, what you are thinking, what you are speaking, and what your soul is craving for. It is connected. It's not that you are thinking something else, you're speaking something else, and your soul is craving for something else. That's the problem. Now, whenever there is a disruption in the prana flow, it's basically the cause of it is your emotional tantrum. Any deep pain, any deep hurt, any deep insults you have gone through in your life is basically the residue of it is still lying in your body as energetic blockages. Now, wherever there is an energetic blockage which has been created by your emotional pain, it causes the prana flow to be disrupted. And because of this emotional imbalances and the prana flow being disrupted, your cells start vibrating in a low energy. What does Healy do? Now, all of you understand that your emotions are so powerful, and emotion of fear impacts your kidney, an emotion of anger impacts your liver, an emotion of lack of joy causes heart attack. Why does females, women get more of thyroid problem? Because mostly after marriage their creativity is suppressed. They are not able to express themselves, or they are not able to live their life fully because of taking care of kids and family, and because of that the thyroid gland gets impacted. Now, any suppressed grief, long term sadness, it impacts your lungs. Any prolonged stress impacts your spleen, pancreas. Now, when we know this, that our emotion is so powerful, we have a technology today to take care of it. Healy works in three areas. What are the three areas? Healy helps us to remove that disruption and helps the prana flow. Healy helps to come out of that emotional imbalances. Healy also helps to flush out the toxins from your cell, regenerate the cell, and make your cell vibrate in a right energy. How? We have programs for it. I will show you if the time permits. Otherwise, connect with the person who has invited you. Now, at a physical level, how does Healy work? Healy work it using microcurrents. Now, microcurrents have been used from hundreds of years by the doctors, and there are scientific journals which has been written on it, which proves that there is an increased amino acid transport with the use of microcurrent, and it shoots up to 40%. Protein synthesis, it actually shoots up to 70%, which is in the DNA of your cells. If you don't understand this, forget it. Morning till evening, what we need energy to work. What I need right now to talk to you, energy. And where is energy coming from? The mitochondria of your cells, from the ATP production. Healy helps to shoot up the ATP 500%. Your adenosine triphosphate shoots up to 500%. And that's why you say, I mean, people who use Healy, you will see that they are highly energetic. Even midnight 2 a.m. you talk to them, the energy would be very high. People keep asking me, Leena, your energy is so high. I feel Healy is contributing to it. The cell membrane potential voltage. There are two scientists, very eminent scientists, Professor Robert Becker, Professor John Nonstrom. Both of them came together and they identified this cell membrane potential voltage. The voltage potential in within the cell and the outside the cell. The differential voltage is known as the cell membrane potential voltage. If it is between minus 90 to minus 60, it is an healthy young cell. But where it goes between minus 60 to minus 30, aging and sick cells. All the arthritis, spondylitis, any itis problem comes up in between this. Then beyond this, what happens? Uncontrolled cell division, ADHD, cancer. I mean, that's where things go wrong. Now, what does Healy do? Healy helps us to get back into healthy cells while we are talking. More than 20 million applications. Right now, every 2 minutes there is a Healy application being downloaded. It has gone across to 57 countries. More than 5,000 doctors and practitioners are working on this concept. If you go to Google, who is the advisory board? We have a advisory app which actually all these people have developed, where Caroline McMcCain, she's an NFL football, the rugby is known as the football in Europe, and she is the official frequency healer for NFL players. The players on the ground, when they get injured, they are not given tablets or injections, they are given frequencies to recover back. Caroline has developed so many frequencies for the players, and today she's collaborated with us. All these people have got more than 25-30 years of experience in the quantum science, and they have centers, healing centers across the world, and today they are working with Healy as well. Now, if you see here, I always say, you know what, I mean, there was a time in my life I was looking out for a doctor to give me a pill, wherein I was going through so much of stress when my daughter was not studying night, and I was having sleepless night. I was not happy with my job, my boss. I wish some doctor could have given me a pill to come out of the stress because of this. I wish somebody could have given me a pill that inside my house I can create a harmony between me and my husband, between me and my mother-in-law. I mean, nothing in the world could have. I wish doctor could have told that work on your third eye chakra and your root chakra. They are the reasons why it is down and you're having a lack of money. I wish there was somebody out in the world could take care of my daughter's concentration and the memory power. Nothing except frequency which help me. You talk about a problem in your life, and we have a frequency for you. Your productivity, your money challenge, your children learning and concentration, your fitness, your beauty, your connection, your relationship, your family harmony, your physical level, mental level, emotional meridians, chakras. Oh my god, you talk about it, and we have a frequency for it. Certificate in Europe, it has been called out as a class 2 medical device, which is into chronic pain, fibromyalgia, skeletal pain, migraine, more supportive treatment of mental illness, depression, anxiety related sleep disorder. Very unfortunate that medical industry only understands this. Healy can do much more beyond it, trust me. Healy is FDA cleared. There is a frequency experience group in Facebook. You can go and check it out, get the invite from the person who has invited you. There are so many doctors out in the world, people like you and me who are using Healy. They are sharing their testimonies there. Yeah, there are certain screenshots which I have taken today for our presentation from this group. Now, what is this lady is talking about? You can see the middle picture, that is a gold cycle, which is a detox cycle. If you see pure, care, balance, being, this is pure, is like purification of each and every cell of your body. Care is like building up the immunity. Balance is balancing your hormones. Being is like working on your soul level. Energy is shooting out your ATP level. Relax is activating your parasympathetic nervous system. Release is like a painkiller, releasing the pain out of the body. Now, this lady only use the detox cycle. When Healy comes to you, we will tell you to do a detox for 7 days. No other program. The first 7 days would be only detox. And let me tell you, on the eighth day, you will fall in love with Healy. Now, this girl did the same. She used 7 days of Healy. And you see, I mean, more than 2 months, she was continuously using Healy. The menstrual cramps, every female in your house is going through. We go through the pain, the mood swings. We don't want to work on those days, but we have to. Now, imagine, this is like a savior in every woman's life. Please give them rather than expensive gifts. Now, depression, how beautifully she has taken a picture before and after, just with the detox cycle. 2 months of usage, beautifully was able to come out of the depression. No side effects. That tablets, what we get it I mean, there is such a strong side effects of these depression tablets, let me tell you. But with your doctor, we never say that if you are using Healy, you stop your tablet. No, your doctor will tell you to stop the tablet. You go for the test and let your doctor tell you that the tablet is not required. Now, we have chronic pain, back pain, migraine. She was suffering from migraine, and in spite of popping in the pills back to back, Today, she's completely out of it. She says that she has forgotten that she ever had migraine, no longer on any medication due to stress. How many people are aware that the stress of this corporate jobs which you are going through? I was there in the corporate for 18 years as a project delivery manager. I was in Tesco, Sabre, IBM, and the kind of stress which I was going through, money was not a problem, but it was draining me off. Now, because of the stress, there are people who get a stress fracture. Can you, I mean, do you know this? This came in as a surprise to me. Now, using chronic pain, the back pain, joints, I mean, you use it comes as a savior for you. And she today she says that she was not able to bend down and brush her teeth, but after using Healy, she sleeps like a baby, run around with the 4-year-old. Skin problems, I am not going to stay here with the testimony. There are so many testimonies. Please connect with the person who has invited you. And all this, that small middle, but you are seeing those icons, these are the programs. You connect with it and run that program, that specific ailment would be taken care. Now, prostate, I mean, one of my team member was telling me that their parent father was not able to get up from the bed and reach the bathroom. Before he reaches the bathroom, he will leak out. Imagine, Healy came in as a savior for them, and today he's able to have such peaceful sleep at night. I mean, this is the gift our parents need at this old age. Learning and concentration. I can't skip this because this is something I created a testimony in my house. My daughter, 10th standard, never ever touched 60% in her life, and she was so much into dance and choreography, not interested in studies. She will not sit for 5 minutes for studies. 2022, Healy came into my rescue. I started giving her learning and concentration remote. She was in school and I was giving her remote therapy. I can tell you the transformation which I saw. The girl who never sat for 5 minutes started studying for whole night. I literally had to tell her to get up and eat your food and sleep. Now, 10th standard, touch 92. 11th standard, it's already 3 years. 11th standard, 93. 12th standard, state rank holder, 97%. I can't imagine what Healy did to my life. And it is not that she uses every day. Only before the exam, she will come and say, Mama, give me Healy. You know what happens? The children are very receptive to frequency. And their intuition, the third eye chakra gets activated. And when their intuition is powerful, they know. She will just flip over the pages and she knows what to study from where. It's not like she's studying everything, but her intuition will tell her to learn these words or to mug up these things. That's enough. So, internet addiction, oh my God, any kind of addiction, whether it's upon movies, internet, Netflix, going around, anything, alcohol, drugs, we have frequencies for it. Okay, so it's not just for children, it is for adults as well. Weight management, it's not about eating less, it's about eating right. We give you the right nutrition, we have a nutritional frequency. Can you imagine having a frequency of vitamin C, B complex, what your brain needs, what your heart needs, what your gallbladder needs, what your eyes need? Oh my God, I mean, this is the world which we are living in. You just need to tune into, my hair is not looking good, I am actually close to 50, I am 47, and you know how much I take care of my hair and my skin and everything. Imagine something which came into my rescue. And this was a prayer which I was asking for, and my prayer has been answered. Now, sleep programs, stress, sleep system, activation, what you need. Somebody is negative in your house, run positive thoughts. Balancing nerves, exhaustion, you are tired, you are overwhelmed, you are procrastinating, run the frequency. I mean, come back and say thank you to me. Skin programs, you will not become a Salman Khan, but yes, if your cells have an ability to regenerate, it will. Animal program, I don't want to skip it. I feed 200 dogs out in the street every day, and I have 3 cats at home. And trust me, it was a pain for me, a nightmare for me, taking pets to the veterinary doctor. Today, no, except vaccination, I don't go to a doctor. Not just me, not just my human daughter, not just for my animal pets baby. Nobody goes except vaccination. We only rely on frequencies. We have animal program, and animals and children, they are very receptive to frequency. You, because they don't judge. Problem with us is we keep judging. chalega kya, how it will happen, what will happen, how it is. Stop judging and you will see the life changing, creating miracles. There is a small video of testimony. Then I'm going to another 5 minutes. I want to wind up and show you the demo.
What do you think of Healy? I absolutely love it. Like, it's amazing. I'm blown away. Like, I can feel everything. I don't know. I just feel like it really came at a ripe and opportune time. It's amazing. I could cry. Like, it's to that level. Like, I'm like, this is it. Yeah, awesome. Yeah. I'll say that too. Yeah.
For the first time in 11 years, I haven't taken a Panadine Forte, which was my daily thing in 4 weeks. And I used to take like up to 10 a day, which was just...
About 15 or 20 minutes into the frequency, his whole demeanour just changed and the colour came back into his face. And he said to me, so I'm great now, I feel good, Mum, I'm just going to go ride my bike for a bit. And he just took his Healy off, went outside and did a lap of the block on his bike, and completely feeling fantastic again.
My energy levels were great, my moods were balanced.
My mind feels like I've had, for lack of a better word, a brain flush.
And the other thing is I always notice when I run the skin program, the next morning my skin feels like it's 100% silk. It's just unbelievable.
I'm getting the results right now and it's actually blowing my mind.
And I've just put on these little ear electrodes and Healy has a migraine program that you can run. And honestly, I've been running it for the past 10 minutes and the symptoms of my migraine have gone down about 80%.
My sense of calm is back, my happiness is back, my mental clarity, my concentration, my sleep, my blissful sleep is back.
Number one, back pain. And I almost fell out of my chair when I saw that. I was like, oh my God, the level of intelligence that this device has is absolutely mind-blowing.
Absolutely. The level of intelligence this device has, and you will come to know. You know what? Congratulations to each and every person who is listening to me today. There is a free gift to you. Soon after this presentation, you need to connect with the person who has invited you and book your 5,000 worth aura reports. You will be going through a complete aura therapy. You will be going through your complete emotional spiritual lacks, your body, where exactly the imbalances is, all the imbalances at your mental level, emotional level, spiritual level, your aura, all your 7 chakras, everything. You would be getting a report. And once you see the report, you will come to know the level of intelligence this device carries, because something you might have forgotten. The desires would have been buried. You might have like, how it is possible that Healy knows it? You can't hide anything. All the dark secrets would be coming out. So make sure you book this. We usually do this aura therapy and we charge 5,000. But today we are going to give you a gift that you can get it free within 72 hours of watching this presentation. So next 2 days, you have the time for a free aura therapy. Go for it, guys. You will come to know what level of life you can create. Okay. So getting into, we have Sri Ravi Shankar, Jai Gurudev, and Guruji has accepted our Healy, and it's like an honor and a proud moment. Someone like him who understands the vibration and frequency, he was like shocked. Something which is happening with the Kriya. Today our technology is doing it. He is literally in talks with us to sign an MOU where we are thinking of setting it up in his center for ADHD students. So it is ADHD children, and it is still in talks until it comes in official, but his blessings, his grace is helping us to take this technology out in the world. Now, there are so many tribe minister, one of the tribal minister had actually ordered Healy from us. Now, I'm going to close it and come to a point where how you can own it in your life. I told you Time Waver is somewhere around 50 lakhs to 1 crore. Healy does 70% of what Time Waver does. How much Healy should be? You can see the sign. But actually, if you speak around, it should actually come down somewhere around 70 lakhs if it is 70% of what Time Waver does. But what Marcus did for us, it is less than the cost of the iPhone which you are holding in your hand. It is less than the cost of the insurance which you have paid for every family member for next 10 years. Healy coming into your life one time for lifetime for each and every family member. Not just for that, as a coach, as a trainer, I also can charge people for therapies. How to do that? I will take a special session on that. Now, if you see, the Healy starts from 40,000 and it goes across to 3,29,000. Congratulations to each and every month. This month there is a 30% off. There is a 30% off in the prices from Healy Resonance to Healy Professional. What is the difference between this? The top three has the ability to do the analysis of your emotional well-being, physical well-being, spiritual well-being. You can see a report, and based on that report you can do a healing, right? Not just identifying it but also healing it. So Healy Resonance, which you can see 1,23,000, has a body related frequency program. 2,05,000, which is after 30%, 1,23,000 becomes 91, 2,05,000 becomes 1,51,000, and 3,29,000 becomes 2,42,000. What is the difference? Healy Resonance, body related. Healy Resonance plus body and mind related. Body, mind, soul. You have a stem cell shots, defense program, black magic, evil eye, vastu correction, radiation impact. Everything could be corrected in the Healy Professional. There is also something known as stem cell shots. If you go to a doc, if you have heard about this, injections cost around 50,000 to 1 lakh, and usually celebrities take it. And also, if you are going through your knee replacement or your spine replacement, doctors will ask you to go for stem cell therapy injections every quarter. We are giving you a frequency for lifelong, and it comes in at the last one. Animal program, beauty program, job program, meridian program. Oh my god, you think of it and we have it. Connect with the person who has literally invited you here, and use their link. They will share you the link to order it. Once you order it, it will reach your house within 3 to 4 days. Once it reaches your house, from that day to the 14 days, it is a trial period. It is a basically a period wherein you can use it, and if you don't like it, get the money back. I mean, how beautiful it can be. Literally, I tell my clients, if you come to me, I'm going to charge you 15,000. But if you go to the company, they will not charge you. They will just give you free for 14 days. Use that trial period and benefit from it. I can tell you, initial 7 days, when you go through a detox now, that's it. On the 8th day, you fall in love with Healy, and on the 8th day, you'll people book another Healy. Let me tell you, today I have an Healy in Delhi with my daughter. I have an Healy with my mom in Kerala. I have an Healy with my brother in Bhopal. I have an Healy with my maidservant at home. I have an Healy for my pets. I have, and right now I'm wearing 2 different Heelys. Can you see? So around 7 Heelys I've already got. Now this is where people get into. They will not survive with one Healy because so much you fall in love with. Now, how exactly it works? You get a refund 2 years. Anything happens to Healy, you will get a complete replacement. Okay, there would be a buddy with you, a power buddy who will be taking care of you morning, afternoon, evening. What are you doing? How much water you are drinking? What programs are you taking? There is a big community where you will be tied up. This community itself is like more than 50 lakhs, if you ask me, because we are giving you a personality development, we are giving you training on goal setting, we are giving you training on your team skills, on your communication skills, on your personality. We give you the complete training. We have a big community, a training system which you need to plug into. Now just imagine, I did my life coaching and so many trainings I did. I've literally paid more than 25 lakhs. But today, with this, just buying an Healy, you are getting plugged into a community with just around 7,000 per year, with a complete package of a transformation, complete personality development, manifestation, Ho'oponopono. I keep taking trainings in my community absolutely free, only for the people who have Healy. So make sure you are part of this community. If you are a trainer and a coach, I welcome you. You can be the next trainer with us. And let me tell you, we have like additional rewards and recognition for every person who have a beautiful heart to serve. If you want to serve the world out with your talents, with your potential, and integrating Healy into it, there is a rewards and recognition in terms of the euros which can come in your pocket. How does that work? And please connect with the person who has invited you, and we would love to share it with you. And you could be a next trainer, you could be a next coach helping the community out. Okay, so I'm going to end this with a Mac Healy. Okay, I have to show you Mac Healy. Some beautiful. Now Healy takes care of you at your mind, body, and soul alignment. Mac Healy takes care of you at your environment level. Now, what happens in the environment? Family harmony. Right now, I have a juice next to me. Okay, it is a spinach and banana juice. Now, most healthiest drink ever. Yeah, this is my dinner. Now, imagine I'm going to keep Mac Healy, but the point is from where all the spinach has come in and from where all it is being transmuted, the energy which is just carrying when I drink it, I absorb that energy of every person who has carried that spinach till my home. Now, Mac Healy has frequency for your drink, for your food, to change the molecular structure of your food, of your water, energize the water, cleanse it, your environment, your kitchen, family harmony, relationship, creativity, chakra balancing, coherence. You talk about it and it is available, right? So 3-meter diameter, 10 feet. Everyone who is sitting there will be getting a frequency. Beautiful. Keep it in your study. Prosperity program never ever stops in my home. I will tell you a secret how I run it. Once you come inside, I will tell you a secret. Be ready to shoot up. 2026, I always say that 2026 is an year of alignment. You know what? If 2025 was an year of awareness, 2026 is an year of alignment. Aligning you to your inner self, aligning you to the every possible, the health, wealth, abundance coming in your life. It is an year of overflow. I'm not joking. Tune into the frequency, tune into the frequency of overflow into your life. So yeah, I'm going to stop this presentation now. I'm going to stop my sharing, and I would request Sushil to share few of the testimonies if he is here. Sushil, you are here? So we there are testimonies. Thank you, Sushil. So there are testimonies out, maybe few, another 5 minutes. Then maybe we can take up the questions after this testimonies. And because we don't have enough time now for the demo, but what I made sure that the person who connected you will show you.
Hey, hello everyone. Sorry, I was talking on mute. So sorry. Good evening to all of you. My name is Asita Mahapatra. I'm currently working as an IT professional. So I was introduced by this Healy program by my auntie, Mona Lisa, and I'm well supported by this program, for this program by Kadambariji. I'm in constant touch with him. So my story is I have a kid of almost 5 years of age. He had some developmental delays. He has speech issues. He was hyper issues. He had some focus and attention issues. His learning was also delayed. So I was undergoing this program, and I was undergoing this kind of issues. And after using this program with support of Kadambariji, I can see substantial growth in him. Right now, in school, he is focusing. He is following the instructions. He has started writing where he was not. He was not sitting at his place. We received complaint initially. Right now, we are getting positive feedback about him. So these have been, I would say, substantial growth on him. And most importantly, his speech has been improved actually. He was simply using 1 or 2 words. Right now, he's framing sentences. He is asking for food, which he was not doing. And yeah, we have a long way to go. But yes, with a small amount of time, I would say at least 1.5 months I have used it, and I have seen this growth. So definitely, I would recommend this Healy program to to everyone. And I've already started doing that. So yeah, and yeah, I hope much more growth, much more development for all of us with this programming. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And you know what? We have seen so much of transformation in the ADHD children. And with just using the program, the speech development, the tantrums coming down, the doctors have called it out that it's no more ADHD, but it's more of a development delay. And today they are going to a normal school. I can't stop talking about it. Now, listen to another testimony from Sharbani Mishra about the digestive issues.
Thank you. So I'm Shravani. I'm from Jamshedpur. My profession, I am a pranic healer and an engineer. So I was introduced to Healy by Vanshika Sitlani and Pragya Dash. So I have been using Healy from the last 1.5 months. Though I have seen numerous changes in me, I would like to highlight some 2-3 major improvements that I've seen within me. after a 9 to 6 job, for almost 9.5, 10 hours of job, and then coming and meeting people, so interacting with so much of frequencies made me burn out by mid of the day. Like I was completely losing my energy by the noon, and in the evening after coming home, I didn't even feel like talking to people. That was so. I mean, I was feeling I was getting drained out, so I had to heal myself 2 times a day. But after using Healy within 1 week, my family members started asking me, you don't eat what we eat, then how is the energy? I mean, right now also I'm coming from a busy day, but I feel so fresh as if I just woke up right now. So that was an amazing feeling that I got. The second one was from 2018. So it's been like 9 years. I was suffering from constipation and gastritis. The biggest tension was whenever I used to go out, I had to carry so much of medicines and bags with me. That was an additional carriage for me. That I had to go out with medicines, and without medicines, I lost my confidence. Ki ab kya hoga re. Then with the help of pranic healing and Healy, I don't remember the last time when I suffered. It has become like this. So it was an amazing thing. And the third and the most beautiful effect which I got is being a healer. We have to do our meditations regularly every day. So when Healy was ramped with medication, I can't express up to what level of depth of visualizations and that one-pointedness I felt while meditating. So I never miss out wearing Healy while meditating. And the kind of healing also to my clients have given, they have, their testimonies and feedbacks to me was really awesome. So a thank you feels less. So with all my gratitude and thanks to Pragya, Vanshika, to the entire team of Healy and to the brains behind this magic man.
Awesome,
And I really hope that Healy becomes the
Can I play one more?
Yeah, maybe the last one, and we can keep talking about it. This channel, you can take the link from the person who has invited you, Elevate Healing. You think about a problem and we have a transformation story about it.
Experience with Healy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, the entire community, for giving me the second time opportunity in just 1.5 months of usage of Healy. I'm so grateful to all of you for giving this opportunity to share my experience. Well, it's been only 1.5 months of using Healy. And to my surprise, what happened just maybe 20 days back, I was having a very chronic, not exactly chronic, I was having an acute cough and was having a wheezing one day in the evening hours, and it was raining heavily, maybe because of that moisturized humidity and etc. So I was having that wheezing. I thought what to do, and kya karu main? And I'm not used to like taking the pills and going to the doctor. And being a doctor, I just avoid taking the medicines and all. So I thought, let me check in the Healing, because I was not well versed with the gadget, but I was using my gold programs, all Healy, everything. But I thought, let me use something new. You know what I used? I used lung program. I took Mag Healy, kept on my abdomen. It was just for 20 minutes. And you won't believe, it was just that whole, my breathlessness, everything vanished. I calmed down. My palpitation, my rate of respiration, it subsided in no time. And it was amazing. Secondly, at the same time, during that period, I was also suffering from an acute pain abdomen in my left side of the abdomen. Left, we call at left iliac fossa. So I was not wondering कि ये कैसे हो गया, because appendix is on the right side, but in the same just in the same side, but on the left side I was having the pain. I thought, like, what can it be? Because I was not having any signs and symptoms. But I thought, okay, let me go for the ultrasonography next day, because I should not leave anything, So I thought, okay, next day I'll go for the ultrasound. But I took lung harmony, and that pain which was having on the abdomen on the left side, that also vanished eventually. I don't know how, because I used lung program, and my pain in the abdomen also disappeared. Next in the morning, when I got up, I said, let me press hard to find some reason for me to go into the ultrasonographist, but there was absolutely no pain. I was really pressing hard my lower abdomen कि कुछ तो वजह मुझे मिले कि मैं ultrasound कराने जाऊं, but absolutely there was nothing. So that really, it was a miracle for me कि how come I used lung harmony, and how did my pain in the abdomen also got sorted out. So that was a huge breakthrough which I got using Healy in last 1 month. And yeah, there is someone very special with you all to share her experience with Healy in last 1 month, and she.
Thank you so much, and please connect with the person, and you can listen to this testimony. Hundreds and thousands of testimony out there, and I get goosebumps when I listen to these stories. And trust me, when you listen to this story, you will be the first person to get Healy in your hand and see the miracles every day, every second in your life. Something which felt like unrealistic, and today feels like it's possible. And that's what Healy brings into your life. Okay, thank you so much. And I would tell you, okay, Anil has raised his hand. You can see a virtual hand being raised. If you have any questions, please raise your virtual hand, and I will be able to unmute you, and you can ask your questions to me. So Anil, I'm going to unmute you. Yes, Anil, shoot out.
Good evening, madam. My name is Anil Kumar. Actually, I'm a naturopathy practitioner. I do a lot of treatment to the patients in Bangalore. And it was really what do you call an eye opener for me because of the various. I think last year I attended some about Healy, and one my question is you said given so many models. For example, some the professional, then the normal one, and all. And for example, if you buy one, can you upgrade it to later? That is one question. Then you said this also this Healy, if you run on any person, it will give like a report, means what all the problems they are facing, both at physical level, emotion level, and mental level. And also the third question is, you said about the black magic and all. So whether the Healy will say whether this person is affected with black magic and all, madam. These are my three questions.
Okay, fantastic. Oh my God, what was your first question? So your first question was whether Healy can be used for multiple people, right?
No. For example, you have so many what you call models for there, some gold, some professional and all, correct? If you go with the one, can we upgrade to the later one?
Oh, yes, you can. Perfect. Yeah, you can start with anyone and it can be upgraded. Only thing is, right now there is a 30% discount going on. So when you upgrade it, you will not get that 30% discount. So you end up paying the MRP price. That's the only difference. Otherwise, you can start with anything and you will be able to upgrade it.
Okay. Then the second, my question was, what do you call it, whether if it will give it will scan the entire person, patient,
Yeah.
will give the report,
Yeah.
what problems they are
So
facing.
basically, we have different programs. So at your body level, what your organs require, your liver, your heart, your meridian, your gallbladder, each and every report will come out. Whether you're sleeping properly, how is your skin, is there any pain in the body, each and every area, is there any mental balance required, is there any tension, all that will come in the report. So there is a report, separate report. One report will talk to you about the emotional garbage. If you have heard about the therapies of Bach flower therapy, homeopathy, psyche.
I know Bach flower therapy.
Yeah, so we have a Bach flower frequency report. Without even having the oil in your hand, you can get a report of Bach flowers, where exactly is the emotional blockages, and Healy will help you to give you the frequencies of Bach flowers. We have Australian bush flower, we have homeopathy psyche. We will also give you an homeopathy medicine name. If you want, you can go and take the homeopathy medicine or take the frequencies of it. We have I Ching, we have Sizzler salt. I mean, you speak about it. We have this emotional garbage removal programs. We have an aura therapy, which will talk about all your energy centers, and it will also call it out whether which chakra is down. Is it because of this janma, or is it because of something you are carrying from your DNA?
Yeah, previous, yes.
Yes, previous years. So it's all separate reports which will be coming out. Who has invited you, Anil Kumarji?
I think from Rita or somebody.
Fantastic. Please get in touch with Rita, and she is a wonderful person in our team. She will be able to take you through the complete demo. Make sure you connect with Rita and go through a demo and see these reports. When you see the reports, you will be able to understand and resonate with it.
And also one more thing was you told me about black magic and whether this Healy will tell whether the person is affected with black magic.
We have a program called as defense program. In the defense program, we have a specific program which calls it out general protection. Whenever you analyze your body and general protection is coming on the top, that means you have been impacted by some outside energy. It could be black magic, it could be some negative thoughts, it could be some. So general protection is an indication that you are impacted by others' energy, and it can be a black magic as well. Then we have a program which talks about geopathy, the Vastu, where you're
geopathy stress.
Yeah, geopathy stress. It also talks about planetarium impact. It also talks about radiation impact. So when you analyze your body, if general protection is not coming on the top, that means no black magic.
Okay, and so you told about geopathic stress. If you go to any house and if you by putting this Healy in a place, can you know whether this place is having a geopathic stress?
Absolutely. You go to a house and take the picture of the house, upload the house. There is latitude, longitude, there are some details which Healy will ask. and based on that details, then analyze and do a defense program analysis. In the report, it will show you whether there is any geopathy stress.
And if it is there, is it can be rectified?
It can be rectified. You can run the therapies. How to run the therapies, Rita would be able to tell you.
Because the geopathy stress, the normal everybody says you leave that place. That is the advice they give.
Correct. No, but it's like we are powerful than anything else in the world.
Yeah.
And now, if that's something which we understand, we will be able to protect ourselves. Though we can't change the energies outside, but what we can do is we can make our aura so powerful that
Exactly.
nothing can enter our auric field.
Exactly. Thank you, madam. It was a very fantastic session, and it was a fully energetic session. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so Anil Kumar ji, thank you for asking me that questions. Okay, I can't see that name in a proper way. DIERBX. Please write your name properly so that I can call your name. Okay, I can't see the chats. If you psoriasis problem, Thiru Murthy. Thiru Murthy ji, if you're still here, we have lot of testimonies. You can connect with the person who has invited you, and skin programs. There is specific skin programs, and so many people are able to come out of eczema, psoriasis, and there is like from 30 years, 20 years they had been suffering, and just by using Healy for like 3 months, 4 months, completely resolved. I literally, their pictures, if you see, you will feel like crying what they were suffering and how they have got transformed today just by using Healy. So make sure you connect with the person, Thiru Murthy, who has invited you, and see the testimony. Okay. DIERBX1GDEH. If you don't correct your name, I'm not going to call your name. So please correct your name if you want the question to be answered, if you want me to unmute you. Okay, fantastic. Thank you everyone for being here. And sorry if I'm not able to take your question. And we have...
there is one more. I can see Farooq ji raising hand on video. So can we unmute him as well?
Oh, sure, Pragya. Please, you can unmute him.
I'm giving you the permission, Farooq ji, just a moment. Yes, Farooq ji, please unmute.
Ma'am, namaste. Ma'am,
Namaste.
Namaste. Ma'am, just I saw with, I am from Hyderabad. Yeah, I saw with Mr. Prashant Garu this aura scan. Just I met in someone. So just I saw only about the aura scan only, ma'am.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
You missed out the other things. So
Yeah.
make sure you connect with Prashant ji and
Okay.
take the number of Sheila.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
Prashant is connected with Sheila. So you
Okay.
can say that connect me to Sheila. She's an executive director from India in Healy Academy. So you can connect with her, and either Prashant can show you or Sheila will help you to go through all other reports.
Okay, ma'am, just I want to know, if it can be helpful for the the business growth and career growth also, apart of the healing?
Oh my God, I wish I can show you. You know what? We have a manifestation tool, which is known as the coaching analysis, the coach module. And in the coach module, whatever you want to affirm, you know the affirmations when we
Yes,
write
ma'am.
an affirmation. So
Yeah.
it's like your desires. So whatever you want in your life, you just chant it out. You write it down. Like, I'm happy and grateful that
Yeah.
money is flowing to me easily, effortlessly, consistently from all sources. My company's turnaround is touching this million. Thank you so much, God. As if it has already happened and in the present tense. When you write it and then you
Yes.
run the frequency for 21 days. I
Okay.
have seen in my community, I myself is a manifestation coach, and I have
Okay.
seen in my community 21 days. If anybody running it, they would be able to align with what they wanted and they can see it in their reality.
Yeah, ma'am, today I didn't attend more this one, but end of the I joined half of this one because just I didn't get proper information.
You will get the recording,
No.
Farooq.
Yeah, and just I have one question, ma'am. As you told that there is the homeopathic medication also you will get in the report.
Yeah.
So there is the only homeopathic, other than that, like the allopathic, that will such reports also will come.
The reason why we show homeopathy is because homeopathy works on frequencies.
Okay,
right?
okay.
It connects with the emotions. Have you ever visited a homeopathy doctor? We have so many homeopathy doctors working with us. And when you visit a homeopathy doctor, do you remember they keep asking you what is happening in your house? Do you feel anger? Do you feel sad? They will connect with your emotions. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay, ma'am.
emotions is the root cause of the suffering which you are going through.
Okay.
And homeopathy medicine works on your emotions and feelings.
So after this horoscope, if we are taking this horoscope machine, there is any training programs, ma'am?
Oh, lot of trainings. Please get connected to the every day there is a training.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure, I will join. Okay, ma'am.
Fantastic. Okay, Farooq ji, welcome
Okay,
to the community.
thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Great. So I can't see any hand raised. If you still have questions, don't worry. If you're not able to ask here, please connect with the person. Even if you want to connect with me, you can be rooted with the person and I can still connect with you. So connect with the person who has invited you and through them, you can connect with me. And also being part of where you can work with us to transform the world. Remember, there is rewards and recognition in the euros which can come in your account. Sitting in India, earning in euros just by helping somebody to live their best life. And that's another session which we can do with you, provided you are interested. So I'm going to see you inside the community. I'm super excited to welcome you. Till then, bye-bye. See ya. Happy healing. Love you.